it works on my hair. Squeezing it all away, there's like nothing in here. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day, oh shoot, is it day 4? I think it's day 4 of box week. Honestly, I don't remember. I don't know what day it is. I mean, I know it's Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? I think it's Wednesday. Probably Wednesday. Oh man, there's a bunch of my drawers open. Wow, this is a mess. Well, welcome to reality. Hair is wild. It's alpaca week. Alpaca hair week. Also, if you're a brand new YouTube channel, welcome. I'm Drew. Also, I think my camera's crooked. I'm just gonna adjust this a little bit. Is that better? Do you see me better now? Is it worse? I don't know. I don't know if I care. Okay, well anyways, so welcome back. Today we're gonna call it day 4 of box week, and tonight we're gonna be opening up the Allure Beauty Box. Allure is a $15 per month box curated by Allure magazine. If you want to check it out for yourself, I have a link in the description box below. Also, they sent in a different box this month. I actually had to take the plastic off because it was like my address was on the cover, but I don't know what's in here yet. Also, we're gonna be putting some goodies into our stockpile giveaway, which has like a full-size eyeshadow palette, eyeshadow brushes, a whole bunch of really nice stuff in there. So opening up on the top here, they said Best of Allure, award-winning. Apparently, that's what this theme of this month's box is. This is like the old school box. Like, remember how we're getting that cool bag in the cool box now? Nope. This is like the original packaging. So we're gonna see what's going on here. All right, first thing we have is Laura Mercier Ready Set Go. This is a translucent loose setting powder with a mini puff. We've been getting a lot of setting powder recently, so I'm putting this in the stockpile giveaway again because I really haven't, like, I don't use a lot of setting powder, and I don't feel like keeping it is gonna do me any good because I don't use it. Next we have La Roche-Posay Soothing Relief Cream for eczema prone skin, for an oatmeal skin protectant. I don't know if you're supposed to put this like on all over your body or on your face. Temporarily protects and helps relieve minor skin irritation and itching. Well, I'm trying this. You guys, my skin, this weather, it's not doing it. It's not doing the right stuff. It's like struggling. I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna see what this feels like on my hands, because I've been like really itchy lately. It's because we're going through the fall. There's none in here. Hold on. Look at this. There's like, look at this. I'm squeezing it all away. There's like nothing in here. Not cool, dude. I like just used all that I got on my hand. Smells okay, I guess. I don't know. Whatever. The next item that we have is Smooth Perfect Conditioner Color Protectant from Nature Lab Tokyo. I actually like need hair stuff right now, so I'm gonna try this out. I'm all about trying out conditioners. Like, I'm always in need, it's got a little thing on it, of trying out some new for my hair. It doesn't really have much of a smell to it. It's kind of weird. I don't know. Is there a shampoo in here though? That's the important thing. Is there a shampoo? Remember how like we used to have these whole long rants? Oh, there is a shampoo in here about how there was like always be these shampoos, but there wouldn't be like a conditioner to go with it, or there'd be like a mayonnaise packet of conditioner. Ooh, this one smells pretty good. This is interesting. I'm gonna try this out. So it's a smoothing shampoo and conditioner. We'll see how it works on my hair. The next thing that we have is a Cure Brightening Facial Scrub. You guys, I think I told, okay, whoa. All right. Well, okay. I think I told you guys before that this is actually, so this right here, I think I've mentioned this in videos before. We got this like sample or something in a box once. This is my favorite. This is my favorite facial scrub ever. It is the one that I will actually like go out and like rebuy over and over again. The Cure Brightening Facial Scrub. This stuff like cleans everything out of your skin. It is amazing. It is like the best on the market. And finally we have Dewy Sticks Luminous Highlighting Balm from Ciate London. So this is it says glow. It's a highlighting balm. Let's just see what we got going on here. Is this like, ooh, the packaging's real cute. Ciate London must, oh, okay. Well, it's kind of broken. It just like popped out. Like, what is up? What's up with this box tonight? Okay, well, I'm putting it on all over apparently. It has a little bit of like a dewy glow to it. My guess is you put this on like under your highlighter. Mine's kind of broken, so that's not cool. But what is this product? Add on instant lit from within look with Dewy Stick. Formulated without heavy pearls and shimmer. This unique balm highlighter adds the ultimate natural looking glow in a second skin finish. So let's just quickly recap this box. We got the Laura Mercier Ready Set Go powder, which I'm putting in the stockpile giveaway. The Allure Brightening Facial Scrub, which I actually have a bunch of because I literally get this whenever I need it. Putting that in the stockpile giveaway. We got the Ciate London Dewy Stick, which I put on here, which was kind of broken. We got the shampoo and conditioner from like this Perfect Smooth Nature Lab Tokyo stuff to try. And then we got this very, 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 very small sample of La Roche-Posay Lipicar Eczema Cream. Overall, I actually feel like I'm a little bit disappointed with this box. I mean, like, they came out swinging so hard this year, so to come with these like real like intimately miniature samples is kind of like, I don't know. But I will say our stockpile giveaway box is getting full, so we'll just hold on to that tonight. So that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you are part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family. Because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 5. Is it hopefully day 5 of Box Week? I talk to you. I love you. Goodbye. 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 And you're like, I need that box. Make sure you click the referral link code in the description box below, and then you can get your own box. I'm like